everyone, Tam here. Welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite salads. It's a pumpkin rocket pinenut feta salad. And what I love about this salad is that it's got the different textures in it. It's got your sweet and your savory as well. It's delicious. So let's get started. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using today. I'll leave a list below in the description. I put my oven onto a moderate heat. It's at 180. I have a fan forced oven, and I've just put this cubed pumpkin into a baking tray, and I'm just going to pour some olive oil over it. You're just adding enough olive oil to coat it. So give that a little bit of a toss around in there. And in the oven it goes. I think this will probably take about 15 to 20 minutes. I've got 30 grams of pine nuts. Let's go toast those. So I've put the heat on and I'm just waiting for that to heat up. You can actually feel the heat coming off that now. So I've just put a little slither of butter in there. You can also use olive oil. Pour the pine nuts in. And with pine nuts, you cannot turn your back on these for a second. It's one of those things where they're not done, they're burned. Keep these on the move and watch them like a hawk. You cannot trust these little pesky nuts. Toast these all the way through with that lovely buttery taste to it. They're already starting to change colour. They're quick. As you can see, these are starting to change colour now. Take those off the heat and just pour them onto some paper towel to drain that butter off. Okay, so they're right to go now. Leave those aside to cool down. So the pumpkin should be done now. It's been in here for 20 minutes. And what we're looking for with the pumpkin is you want it to be cooked all the way through. Just stick a knife through and that'll let you know if it's cooked all the way through. A little bit of brown on the outside of the pumpkin is also okay. And I'm also going to put the pumpkin on this paper towel here to get all the oil out of it. So I've just got to wait for that pumpkin to cool down. You can also put it in the fridge for a while if you're in a rush. But today I'm feeling pretty chill, pretty patient, which is unusual for me. Now I'm just going to make a dressing to go on top of this. I'm going to put in some balsamic and some olive oil. Quantities, I don't know, whatever that is. And that is basically it for the salad dressing. I know it doesn't look spectacular, but that's all you want, something really simple. So here are my fresh rocket leaves. This is what I had in the garden. Why do I just keep showing you random pieces of rocket? There you go. You all know what rocket looks like. I do like the bitterness of rocket, but this salad actually really works well with baby spinach leaves as well if you don't like the bitter taste of rocket. So you just put the pumpkin in. Oh, just throw it on the counter. And the feta cheese, just crumble it into there in chunks. How much feta cheese you put in there is really up to you. Sorry, I'm a very hands-on person when it comes to cooking. This is smooth feta. Of course, you can just use regular how you going feta. I like the creaminess of the smooth feta. And the salad dressing, just kind of drizzle that on. It doesn't need a lot of salad dressing. Toss that around a bit so it goes all through it. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of these pine nuts in as well. As you can see, this is a beautifully brightly coloured salad. And what I really love about this salad is, for me, it's the perfect combination of sweet and savoury in a salad, and it's also got the different textures in there as well. Those pine nuts add a beautiful crunch. Excuse me while I look like a cow eating this salad. There's no dainty way to eat salad. We all know that. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please remember to give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Bye. Geez, I hope I got bits of salad in my teeth. That'll be attractive.